About this item: multi-port expansion card. Fan black PCIe expansion card provides 7 external USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, 4 USB Type A and 3 USB Type C ports, for your computer. You can connect a keyboard, mouse, external hard drives, CD/DVD drives, webcams, USB printers, scanners, game controllers, USB VR, digital cameras, etc. High-speed transmission rate. 1 USB Type-C port and 3 USB Type-A ports share 10 Gbps bandwidth, and the rest 3 ports share another 10 Gbps bandwidth, with a total bandwidth of up to 20 Gbps. Each port supports transmitting data at a rate of up to 10 Gbps when used solely. Note: the USB expansion card only supports data transfer, not PD, fast charging and video signal transfer, DP, HDMI, VGA display conversion, and USB-C Thunderbolt protocol widely compatibility. The card is compatible with Windows 7/8/10/11, 32/64-bit, and Mac OS 10.8.2 and above. Perfect for HP Windows 11 desktop, Dell 8950, Mac Pro 4.1/5.1, Lenovo P520. Note: Windows XP/Vista/7 server requires driver installation. Windows 10 11s and Mac OS and Linux don't need drivers. If your computer cannot be recognized by Windows 11 or Mac OS with any driver, please contact us anytime. Stable and easy to use. The internal USB card is provided from the motherboard through the PCI Express slot to ensure a stable connection and improve data transmission speed. Will not lose the connection problem like an external USB hub. Quick and easy installation, a simple solution for connecting to and using USB 3.2 devices on your standard desktop. Packing list and lifetime warranty. Packing list: 1X USB 3.2 PCIe expansion card, 1X CD driver, 2X installation screws, and 1X user manual. You can get a 360-day worry-free warranty and friendly customer service. If you have any problems when you install the card or system compatibility problems, please